Back here in Mississippi, the district attorney in Noxubee County says the sheriff's office was a place of corruption, misconduct, and illicit sex under the leadership of now disgraced former sheriff Terry Grassaree. Grassaree pleaded guilty this week to lying to the FBI in a sex scandal investigation. WTV's Chris Knowles has been following this case all week. He's live in Columbus with new information on the case.
DA Scott Colom says there was a culture of corruption at the sheriff's office when Grassaree was in office.
We can't allow this type of corruption to not be checked.
Colom released new information about the Grassaree investigation at a press conference this morning. It all started in 2015 when a woman was booked into the county jail on murder charges. Her name is Elizabeth Reed. Colom says he got an anonymous tip deputies and correction officers were sexually assaulting female prisoners. The DA says his investigation revealed at least 4 sheriff deputies had sex with Elizabeth Reed while she was in custody in exchange for jailhouse favors. Colom says that's when his office set up a sting. The DA says they used Reed's Facebook account and sent messages to deputies posing as Reed. One of the messages included a fake pregnancy test. The sting confirmed Reed's allegations. Colom explains how Grassaree became a target of the investigation.
As we continued to investigate, we found out that former Sheriff Grassaree, was notified about the that the deputies were having sex with Ms. Reed. And instead of rooting out that, instead of referring that to the proper authorities, including my office or to other agencies, what Sheriff Grassaree did was get on Facebook and try to get in on action.
Colom says Grassaree sent sexually explicit messages to Reed and asked for nude images. Colom sent those messages and images to the FBI. Grassaree pled guilty to lying to the FBI about the sexual misconduct. Colom says Grassaree also committed other crimes while in office.
I was disgusted. We can't have police forces where the people that we're trusting to protect and serve are only concerned about themselves and their own illegal agendas.
Vance Phillips is a deputy who was also involved in the case. He pled guilty. On another disturbing note, we were able to find out that the lady that was in the jail at the time was only in her early 20s. Grassaree will face up to 5 years in prison. Reporting live in Columbus, Chris Knowles, WTVA 9 News.